Alright, I just want to go over your night hour expectations for today. So if you did not finish filling in your 6 bubbles on your bubble map the other day when we worked on night hour, you need to make sure that all 6 bubbles on this bubble map are filled in. The next step is to come up with 3 questions per bubble. So I have an example up here at the top. So if you look, I'm going to talk about the bubble electric guitars. So my 3 questions are, how are they made, what are the different brands, and what are some different pedals used? So once I have my 3 questions for this bubble, I'm going to go to the next bubble. So then I would come up with 3 questions for acoustic guitars. Once I have my questions for that, I would go to bass guitars. Once I have my questions for that, I'd do hollow body guitars until I have all 6 bubbles filled in with questions. And remember, you need 3 questions per bubble. So if we have 6 bubbles total and 3 questions per bubble, you're going to need a total of 18 questions on this map before you turn it in today. If you have questions, ask me. I will be walking around to help you as you work.